I'm Jacqueline.
And I'm Juliana, and we're here to show you how to decorate your room here at Hofstra.
And show you some really cool tricks to make it feel like home.
So here we go.
When it comes to making your bed, make sure to bring a mattress topper, some sheets, a comfortable comforter, and some comfortable pillows. It's important to get lots of sleep as a college student, especially when you have those late night study sessions. When deciding what pictures to hang up, you could bring memories from home, whether that's your friends, your family, some sport teams, but make sure to leave room for the new memories you'll create here at Hofstra.
One of the things to make sure of is that you keep all your photos down at least 2 feet from the ceiling. And a good way to hang up is using stuff that won't chip off the paint, like command strips, tape, or good hang-ups, which are magnets that won't ruin your pictures or posters. If you don't know what to decorate with, Hofstra gear is always the best way to go.
You can pick some up at our bookstore. Go Pride! Another tip for living on campus:
since no one wants wet towels all over their room, put in a drying rack so you can hang them nicely. As college students, we do spend a lot of time in our room, whether you're studying, hanging out with friends, or watching TV.
Personally, I've been binge watching Game of Thrones thanks to Hofstra because we get free HBO and HBO Go.
And we hope you use a lot of these tips and tricks to make your room feel a lot more like home.